As we get ready for all these get-togethers with family and friends, an emerging crisis on the COVID front is putting a cloud over the festivities.
Troubling numbers, all new tonight. The percentage of patients at Spectrum who are not vaccinated now standing at 91%. Of the 405 people in that hospital system, more than 100, about a quarter of all COVID-19 patients, are in the critical care unit. Right now, the caseloads are off the charts. 17,000 new cases in just the past 2 days and more than 200 deaths.
And the rate of spread out of control, almost at 19%. 3% is considered stable.
It has gotten so bad that state health leaders are calling in the military now to help staff hospitals to deal with the patient explosion and staffing shortages.
And it couldn't come at a worse time. One of the biggest holidays where people come together indoors, Thanksgiving.
And there is concern tonight that the much-needed holiday, in a sense of celebration of a return to normalcy, could drive those numbers even higher.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell is at Pepino's restaurant in downtown Grand Rapids now with more on how businesses and customers are trying to navigate the pandemic. Kyle.
Sue and Brian, we've seen crowds grow a bit over the past few hours. Health leaders are reminding people to take precautions tonight and over the Thanksgiving holiday. It's often called the busiest bar night of the year.
We expect to see an uptick in business, but probably nothing too significant or too crazy.
And bars and restaurants like Pepino's are trying to do what they can to reduce the risk of COVID-19 by spacing tables, staggering seating, and using additional sanitation. Last year, they were takeout only the day before Thanksgiving, but are still seeing a strong delivery business, especially with people not comfortable going out.
We're happy to be here, we're happy to be open, and we're also happy to work hard to provide a great, safe experience for our guests so they can come in and just have some sense of peace.
Coming here, I know that it's clean, I know it's safe. They've got plenty of space here always.
Stacy Wasorek says she feels comfortable heading out this year and is being mindful of the high COVID cases in West Michigan.
We all hear about those things, the numbers going up and hospitals being at capacity or over capacity. It's always in the back of your head about who's out here, who's vaccinated, who's not vaccinated.
As patient counts reach high levels with hospital systems like Spectrum Health, leaders are reminding the community to be aware over the Thanksgiving holiday.
It's a time that people like to gather, spend time with family and loved ones. We just encourage people to be mindful. COVID is real. COVID is here. The flu is here.
If you do celebrate with friends or family over Thanksgiving, already having a booster shot will help reduce the risk, but other precautions can make an impact as well.
We know the things that work to help stave it off: hand washing, mask wearing, social distancing. We know the vaccines work. The vaccines are highly effective. We would additionally encourage people, before you gather, before you choose to go out and mingle with others or spend holidays together, take a moment, assess your symptoms.
Some people have also been getting tested before and after gatherings just to give them more peace of mind. Live in Grand Rapids, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.